watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video. So this new video is something very different. Yes, we have done this kind of video earlier where we have compared German with Sanskrit, English and Hindi. If you haven't watched, I will be putting the link here. That video gone super duper hit. So this video is German dialects. Yes guys, if you think what is German dialects, so it's basically different variations of German language in Germany. The West culture, East culture, North culture. So yes, the language do differ. So we are just explaining how it differs because some students may get confused and they just question us that okay, why this pronunciation is different, why this pronunciation is different. So yes, we thought why not to compile one video for you, and let's just start with this video. Guys, if you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan is a one-stop solution to make you expert of German language. We do provide online and offline classes, teacher training program, exam preparation, module practice, exam preparation, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So what are you waiting? Enroll with German Gyan, and without wasting time, let's get started because this video gonna be super duper hit. Subscribe German Gyan. Let's start.
Hello everyone, let's explore the German dialects. Now when we think of German language, we might picture it as a single unified way of speaking. But did you actually know that within Germany and even within neighboring countries, there are dozens of dialects? Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of German dialects, exploring the unique differences and tackling some common challenges German learners face. So let's jump right in. What are German dialects? A dialect is more than just an accent. It's a unique version of a language that distinct to a particular region. In Germany, dialects are part of everyday life, especially in places like Bavaria, Saxony, and Baden-Württemberg. Each dialect has its own vocabulary, pronunciations, and sometimes even unique grammar. So let's start with the overview of major dialects in Germany. The first one is High German, also known as Hochdeutsch. So let's start with Hochdeutsch or Standard Deutsch. This is the dialect taught in schools, used in social media, and spoken in formal settings across Germany. If you are learning the language, then you are going to learn this Standard German only. For example, house is Haus and I'm going home is Ich gehe nach Hause. Straightforward, right? Those who all are learning German and are in even level, they will get the sentence because it's the basic sentence that we learn or the basic standard German that we learn. The second dialect is Bavarian, also Bayerisch. So, if you are heading towards south, we find Bavarian dialect famous in areas like München. Bavarian can feel like an entirely different language with unique vocabulary and pronunciations. And of course, there are so many people who find it really difficult to understand the Bavarian accent. For example, the word Apfel in standard Germans become Apfel. And the phrase I'm going home changes from Ich gehe nach Hause to Ich gehe home. Bavarians also has a signature R sound that can be tricky. So yes, Bavarian is kind of difficult dialect. Next dialect is Swabian or Schwabish dialect. So in Baden-Württemberg, Swabian is the king. It's marked by a unique melody in speech and some vowel sounds are completely different. For example, the word Ich means I in Swabian sounds more like I or IG, and a common Swabian phrase Nicht hudla means don't rush. The examples you can see on the screen because there are chances that because of the dialect the pronunciations are different. Next dialect is Saxon. So moving towards east we find Sächsisch or Saxon. The one's pretty distinct and is sometimes joked about in Germany. A common difference is replacing the CH sound with a soft SCH sound. For example, the word nicht means NICHT becomes NISCHT, and ish means ICH becomes ISCH, because in this dialect CH sound is replaced with SCH. Next segment is Plattdeutsch, also known as Low German. So, in northern Germany, we have Plattdeutsch or Low German, which shares some features with Dutch and English. For example, the phrase Ich bin means I am turns to Ich bin in Plattdeutsch, which sounds closer to Dutch Ich bin. Common words and expressions across dialects. So now let's take a look at some common words and expressions that differ across dialects. These often catch language learners off guard. The first word is hello. So in Hochdeutsch you say hallo, in Bavarian it's servus, in Swabian you might hear grüß Gott, and in North they use moin. And a quick service can instantly make you feel part of Bavaria. So now let me know in the comment section which all words you already knew. Next word is potato. The word for potato changes too. In standard German it's Kartoffel, but in Bavarian it's Erdapfel, which literally translates to earth apple. And in the Rhineland they use Erdapfel, means another earth inspired variation. Of course, the examples you can see on the screen, because of the dialect and the accent, the pronunciations can be different. Next is the phrase I don't know. So in standard German it is Ich weiß nicht, which is very straightforward. But in Bavaria and in Saxon it sounds completely different. Just look at the screen that how you can pronounce it in Bavaria and in Saxon dialect. So just imagine trying to say I don't know in different regions. It's like unlocking a code each time. The next word is little. So for the word little, the suffixes are schen and le. In standard German, to make something little or cute, you add an chen like Häuschen for a little house. But in Swabian, however, they use le instead. So house become Häusli. This small change is a big deal in dialects. Now, where students get confused. So there are some of the factors where students get confused, and let's see which all are these factors. The first is pronunciation differences. The pronunciation shifts, like the hard Bavarian R or the Saxon SCH sound often throws students off. In Bavarian, ish sounds like e, and Guten Tag maybe sound like Grüß dich. These regional accents make German feel like several languages in one. Second is grammar. In dialects like Swabian, sentence structures can differ and words may be shortened or rearranged. For example, in Swabian, do kom I, meaning I am coming, places the verb at some other place instead of the typical order in Hochdeutsch. Next is regional vocabulary. Words changes completely from region to region. For example, the word for bread roll varies. It's Brötchen in Hochdeutsch, Weg in Swabian, and Semmel in Bavarian. Can you imagine? Even native German speakers sometimes get confused by these. Now, why learning dialects is beneficial? So, learning a dialect can help learners integrate into local communities, understand regional culture, and make friends more easily. Imagine showing up to a Bavarian festival and greeting everyone with a warm service. You will fit right in. Dialects are like a secret language. Local appreciate it when you try. Fun tips for learning dialects. So here, let's learn what can be the tips for learning different dialects of German language. The first is listen to regional music. So, from Bavarian folk songs to German hip hop, local music is a fun way to absorb dialects. Bavarian bands like La Brass Panda mix regional sounds with modern styles. So just go for the regional musics. Second is practice with native speakers. Even if you are in Germany, try out dialect phrases with locals. Most people are delighted when someone makes an effort to learn their dialects. Even a simple grüß Gott instead of hello can make a big difference. And next is watch regional movies or shows. German TVs and cinema often feature regional dialects. Try shows like Tatort that features detectives from different regions, each speaking in their own dialect. Watching with subtitles can help catch the differences.
So guys, how was this video? I hope it was so much informative. I hope you are now aware of the things what we have explained in this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, subscribe German Gyan and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.